Onde no seu quintal, quando eu passo ela paga pau. Tô chavezinho de calça angelical, da hora legal, é na moral. Pego todo mundo.
Welcome back, everyone. We're here with Kristen and Reafe, wearing plumping shorts in front of my boyfriend's brother to see his reaction. Hilarious. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hopefully y'all enjoy. Know this stuff is late. Yes, we are going to keep going as if it's not late. Yes, you're going to see my reaction. Yes, we're going to talk about it. Yes, we're going to keep going until we catch up. So let's go right to it.
I got a botched BPL. You want a drink? Okay, I'll make this drink. But you're sure you don't want... What did I just see?
What did I just see? This boy said, what did I just see?
What if I put a ring on you? What if I put a ring on you? Right now, don't let me wait for you. You know that my love is true. Something about the way you move, I wanna escape with you. The way that you touching my body, I know it, I know it. You making me wanna get down on one knee and propose it. So I told her right now, we should go ahead and get married right now.
What's up, K&R Squad? It's your boy, Badman Reafe.
And your girl, Kristen.
And you already know, when you see me and my queen together, that means we got trouble coming. So today, guys, we're about to do something a little bit crazy.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Something y'all might have seen before.
But today, it's on a different person. Okay, so today I am going to be acting like I got a botched BPL in front of Reefe's brother, D'Angelo.
Daddy Dilo's about to see baby girls.
And then the porn.
What is that? Yo, it's real out here.
Yeah.
It's real botched, okay?
So look, he's on his way right now because Mason wants to play games with me. Like, he loves playing Call of Duty with me and shit. Baby girl's gonna come downstairs and just be like, yo, she got this job done by a doctor. You know what I'm saying?
But I'm gonna lie and say that I did like squats and stuff.
Oh!
Hopefully, they will see it because I don't think you can miss this.
Yeah, you can't miss
And
it.
guys, it has a few lumps.
You can't miss it.
Can you see the lumps?
You can't miss it. Oh. Yo, look at that.
Yeah, boy.
Yo, you can't miss it. You can't miss it.
Stay tuned, y'all. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications. If you're not gonna do it for me, do it for Sheila. Alright? Let's get into it.
His brother is a fool already. You're doing this in front of him.
What's up, bro? I'm looking for my phone.
Huh?
Looking for my phone. What's up?
Looking for your what?
My phone.
You guys are always losing your phone in beat. You good?
Huh? I can't find my phone.
You good? I think you're picking them up from the school.
School? How was school, buddy? What did you learn?
Man, why you just have to know the center of the bread? You don't have to put your nose in the bread.
Reading, writing, outside, mail, and
Oh, yeah? Babes?
I know you didn't drink no water. Okay, don't my look at water. I know you didn't drink no water all day. You didn't drink no water.
Dilo's here, baby. You didn't drink no water.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I wanted one of these. It was a dream I wanted one of these, and I can finally get one. So I bought it. I'm not gonna buy myself nothing for a few months, but I've always eyed one of these. And when I went this time, I said, "Lady, let me get that." The lady that I went to, she always say hi to me when I go inside of the watch place. And I said, "Lady, I told you I'm gonna come back to you." And I told you she doesn't remember though, it was a minute, but I told her. And I said, "Lady, cash me all of that."
What are you talking about?
That watch.
I ain't got a watch.
And when I went back to the...
Hi, Mason.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
You're good? That's good.
He ran coming from school. Man said he's learning reading, writing, bare text.
Oh, are you? What are you playing? Call of Duty!
That's all you can
Yay!
Booty!
Did you guys eat already? But you're sure you don't want food? You're sure you don't want food? What?
What? It's good.
Okay, I'm gonna go grab you a little something to eat, and I'll get you a drink, okay?
What did I just see?
Why did you do that?
Dad would say something
What
like that.
happened? What? What's wrong?
Were you guys joking?
What happened, bro? This guy's... Bro, what? Are you serious? Anyways, so you good at Call of Duty?
Bro, where did you get that from?
What are you talking about?
What? What? What is that thing?
Oh, dang. What you guys talking about?
On her butt.
Right. What is that?
She has a big butt.
He needs some
You
milk.
growing a baby in your belly so you can get a new butt?
I just have some toast and toast for you, okay? There you go. So what are you guys up to? You guys want to watch TV or something?
Oh,
Where's the converter? You guys want to watch TV or something?
oh.
Where's the converter?
What are you
Where's the converter, Reafe?
I don't even know, babe. It's okay. I think it's here, but you need to watch TV. The man was saying that he told the lady that he's going to come back for the watch, and she didn't remember him. But he cashed out.
Why does she need to remember you?
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Huh?
Okay, let me ask you
That's a
something.
good cat.
Because I was thinking, she looks like she's on the season of, oh my god.
Huh?
She looks like she's on the season of Botched. Have you seen that show?
The lady at the store?
No.
Bro, what are you talking about?
Bro, she has you have butt injections. What is that?
Who?
You.
Me? No, I don't.
Don't even need to turn around again because that's gross.
Bro, what are you guys talking about? What do you guys do? Bro, what's your problem?
Bro.
D'Angelo.
Oh my.
You've never seen a BBL before?
No. I know that's a trendy something.
You got a needle?
Exactly. All you gotta do is squats. I don't know what that's going
That's
on.
what I did. I did squats.
From which doctor?
Oh, like going to the gym. It was real quick because like I'm already so skinny, so I was just doing my squats. This is my form,
But
right?
this is not funny though. Cause I don't understand. Who bought that?
What?
Where did you buy that? The man said, where did you buy that from?
Cause it's weird.
It is absolutely weird and uncomfortable.
Man.
Okay,
Hey,
why
that
you
guy-
guys dissing my girl?
I'm not
bro?
dissing the
You don't have to
girl.
look
It's
there.
I'm not dissing the
you're
girl.
not supposed to be looking. Okay.
The doctor messed up. It's hard enough to see.
No, this is squats. This is squatting.
You do lopsided squats?
What are you talking about? I do my squats like this. Excuse me, Milo. They go like this.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but the squats are good, but your butt, it's big.
Right?
Okay, Mason, go see
Mason,
your
go
grandma.
see if the toast is ready.
Go see if your food's
It's
ready.
almost
Right?
ready, okay?
Go see if your food's ready. What's this guy? Bro, what are you trying to say?
You went to the wrong doctor. There's clinics that you go to for these, and there's clinic. You know,
At the end of the day, bro, I don't like the way that you're trying to make her feel.
That's
no,
what
I'm not
saying.
making her feel no way. I'm looking out for her. She's probably sick or something. Could
She's
be.
good. She's not.
Sick? What do you mean sick? This can move, bro. This has.
I know, but you probably. Oh my god.
You know what I'm saying? You don't like
The doctor
that.
said at first it's gonna be a little bit, but she has to just.
Why are you saying the doctor? Why are you
Exactly.
telling
She
me?
did it somewhere in the basement, didn't she? Somebody's
No.
basement. What? You went to a clinic and got it done?
Yeah, in Toronto.
Well, you need to go get.
It's
checked
okay.
out.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay because I told
I-
you people are gonna notice. I told you it's that
No,
drastic.
but he said that
I
all you
told
have to
you, yeah, you have like a.
all he said was you have to go to the gym for a little bit. At first, it's gonna look a little bit weird,
Yeah, but
it's
you
okay.
said the doctor that you knew was gonna do a good job.
He didn't do a good job. No, the doctor didn't do a good job. He messed up, and now you're gonna have to go down
But
back.
is it that serious
Holy
though?
smokes!
It's not even that bad.
I
Like,
guess I think when I look in the mirror, it's nice.
Yeah, it's better than
D'Angelo.
you
No, bro.
Why aren't you looking?
No, you can't look.
Why aren't you looking?
Yo, when it's you would. Oh
Baby,
my
This is what. No,
Babe, it's okay. It's not even that
I
bad.
feel like this makes me look fire.
Yes,
like I
you
look
good.
thick.
You look good.
Like
to
this is
me.
what I'm talking about.
It's about me. It's not about him. What he thinks.
Exactly.
Bro, at the end of the day, it's my girl, bro.
Yeah.
So it's okay, babe.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to check the thickness. The doctor
Bro, why are you making
No, she said she looks. No, she said she looks thick. I'm trying to listen. I'm just trying to say that maybe you should go for a checkup, because if there's something wrong, oh my god.
He thinks there's something wrong with me.
No, but that's what I'm saying.
So
Why
should I go get it fixed?
No, it's
Yes.
it's okay.
Oh my god.
Bro, the doctor said you just have to. Let me see. See, you're good. The doctor said it will drop a little bit once you go. Yeah, the doctor said once you go, it will drop a little bit once you go to the gym and just do
Work
the
it
squats
out,
like
right?
he said.
That's all I have to do. I just have to work it out.
Bro, what are you talking about? So many people are getting this.
Exactly.
No, but you don't need to get it.
What do you mean she wanted it? A faster process. What are you talking about? Summer's coming, bro.
Okay, I need a drink.
This is.
Damn, boy, he's there.
1 second.
What are you talking about, bro? Why are you gonna make her feel like that?
I'm not making it feel no way. I'm just telling you, this is not the stuff that you guys need to be spending your money on.
Bro, at the end of the day,
Bro, okay, all I'm saying is this. Okay, I'm not trying to make fun, right? Which it is funny because she got a BBL. It is funny because all I'm trying to say is this is not, BBLs are expensive, right?
Okay.
And it's not something that you shouldn't be spending your money on BBL. Because listen, just listen to me. Listen to what I'm saying. She got a BBL. It's not her fault. She didn't do nothing wrong. The doctor messed up. The doctors are not going to take
you think
responsibility.
it's that bad?
Bro.
But that's what they say.
It looks cross-eyed like that. Bro, this booty look like... No, I'm not...
That's how it's supposed to look at first, and then it gets its
It's
form.
not supposed to look...
D'Angelo, I can hear you.
Her booty looks irresponsible. You know when someone do something wrong, her booty looks irresponsible. That's what I'm trying to say. It looks okay.
But I spent hella money on this.
That's what I mean.
Maybe it's okay.
That's what I mean. That's why I say you have to, because the process of
But
it.
everybody else thinks it looks good.
See, the one thing about me is most people don't really like, as I tell the truth. So,
See, but
I'm
you
just saying-
have to understand, right? Some jobs that doctors do, it's like real bad. Like it looks real bad. And the booty is like stiff. But this one moves. This one.
This one looks good to me.
No, D'Angelo, look. D'Angelo.
Bro, so why are you laughing
Yeah,
at my
I'm not
girl?
laughing at you, girl.
So
I'm
I don't look
laughing at the
sexy
doctor.
right now?
No, but you're making her feel a certain way because you're laughing.
No, I want you guys to fix the problem so that she can look good.
Yes, it says after a while it's going to be fixed.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
I'm still supposed to do the stuff.
massages.
So you're not doing, so it's his fault because he's not doing what he's supposed to be doing. I'm gonna blame him, not the doctor, and not that it looks horrible.
Okay, which part of it looks bad? Which part? Point it out.
The whole thing, the thing looks.
No, but you're not looking.
Okay, look at me.
Your eyes are up here, though.
Okay, let
it
me-
needs to be down here,
Okay,
though.
look at me. I'm gonna show you how it looks right now.
Why are you crossing your eyes, bro?
One looks like it's up, next one looks like it's down.
Okay, wait, which part
Oh my
do you think
god.
looks bad? Like,
Yeah, I think it looks good.
No, you don't.
I do think it looks good. I think it just needs to just smooth out a little bit more. We gotta do more of the exercises that they
yeah,
told
because
us
the
to
lumps
do.
are still in there a little
There's still a
bit.
couple of lumps.
Yeah.
And once we get the lumps out, that's it.
Bro, all I'm saying is take her back to the doctor. Make him look at it. That's all I'm saying. Make him look at it because we have big plans.
Okay, so are you going to pay for the extra consultations that I need because it looks bad? It's just going to be an extra 10K.
No, it looks good. I lied.
So now it looks good.
Oh, it looks amazing. It looks amazing. That's a booty that you need. That?
Okay, because you don't want to pay the money, right?
No, because it looks good.
But she still has to wear this stuff. She still has to sit on the seat.
No.
All of that stuff.
It does hurt to sit a little bit.
Don't sit yet, baby. It's not 100%.
I should try, though.
It's not healed, though. You need the.
Wait,
Be careful, don't make it pop.
You need the seat.
This is why. Oh my God! I just looked at it.
I
My
tried,
eyes are
I
hurting.
tried.
I'm taking off my
I tried.
glasses. That's why I said you need to go back to the doctor.
You're doing way too much, bro.
How?
Because why are you saying so much stuff?
No.
about her
I feel
butt,
like
bro?
you're being
You're
inappropriate
being
right now.
rude,
Like,
dog.
and then you made Mason say bad stuff too.
Mason is a child. He tells the truth. That's all he does because he doesn't. There's nothing else that he knows how
Are
to
you
do but tell the
serious right
truth.
now? He's following his father.
Which is telling the truth. Nobody likes what I have to say because it's the truth.
Let's see. I'm done.
Don't hurt yourself.
Bro, what do you do?
No, I'm not doing nothing. You look good. I like it.
Yeah, but you're making her feel a certain way. You mean don't hurt yourself, bro? If your girl went and got a BBL and it was a little bit deformed or whatever, I wouldn't have said nothing.
But I would want you to tell me
I
the
would
truth.
tell you personally to yourself, like, yo, set it up. I would say, yo, bro, like, yo,
Okay, bro.
it's a little bit messed up, but
Okay,
to help.
I know, but I'm telling her because
It don't look good. But it's okay, because we're going to fix it. Okay.
Yo, Reafe, like, he just hasn't seen it in action. Like, let me just.
Holy shit.
Oh!
No.
It's a prank! I stuffed my booty!
You're like, holy shit, no.
Come back, D-Lo!
No! Oh my god. When you did that, I swear to God, I thought I was gonna pop. Oh my god. I was like, hell no. I'm not gonna be in the middle.
I can't. Wait, you really don't like it?
No.
What do you mean? I worked hard on this. I fluffed it up.
Oh my god.
It looks good.
It looks good.
You don't like it?
A little wiggle here, a little wiggle
You know what I'm
there.
saying? This is the new.
Yeah.
When I seen it at first, I was like, oh my gosh, it looks just like that. I telling you, there's a girl at the gym with a chicken leg that looks like that. I was like, oh my god.
We should go ahead and get married.
Alright, let me tell y'all something. First of all, hubby would not even play this prank on nobody. Second of all, hubby wouldn't even want me to stuff anything because he loved the way I look. Third of all, hubby, he want bigger, but he ain't getting bigger. He gonna get what he got. You heard? Fourth of all, he ain't the one got to deal with the back pains or whatever pains we got going on. Fifth of all, she did too much on that morning. She most definitely did too much. And then Reafe hyping it up to where she looked good. Dude told the truth. And I'm glad he did because that shit didn't look right at all. And sixth of all, the kid was with it. He was like, what the heck did I just see? Like, he was not with it at all. When he seen it, he was like, what? What is that? Where did you buy that from? He like, what is this normal? The kid, he said, I came on earth for this. No, sir. Like, he was not prepared at all. He not even used to his peoples doing that. Like, for real. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell me how you'll feel if someone tell you how it really is. Like, first of all, I'm not going to be mad. At least you told me the truth. Now, I'm about to go ahead and get my money back. Go ahead, sue the damn doctor, and more shit. Tell me how you feel.